How to earn more and more thanks your own activity. 1. Create an account at SEO.tools. 2. Log in. 3. Fill email and pass and click login. 4. Click nickname write-up. 5. Click affiliate. 6. Join to affiliate program. 7. Copy partner's link and send to your subscribers. You can share to Facebook or Twitter directly. 8. Your subscriber get link and register. 9. Your subscriber create an account. 10. Your subscriber login. 11. Your subscriber go to profile. 12. Your subscriber click pricing plan. 13. Your subscriber subscribe on basic plan. 14. After that subscriber click PayPal. 15. After that subscriber pay through PayPal. 16. Subscriber's payment was successful. 17. Proof of successful subscriber's payment. 18. You have got one more $1. 19. After several payments of your partners, you will accumulate a sufficient amount on your balance. The minimum withdraw is $50. Fill in the email of your PayPal account and the amount to withdraw. Click Give me my money. Good luck.